When the seasons change, I'll drift back home. But the river runs cold and the bottom's stone. I'm worn down hollow, can't hold the line, so I bartered my soul just to buy more time. I swore I'd stay, but I lied that night. Now the ones I love fade out of sight. I miss their hands, I miss their hold, but the fire went dim and the world grew cold. Fire in my chest. Every prayer I prayed was another test. Moonlight slices through the pines so thin. Whispers in the dark draw me back again. The river bleeds red where the shadows keep. Devil on the bank and it don't sleep. Traded wings for chains, still I aim to fly. Even when the skies are hollow eyed. The crows, no secrets I tried to hide. They circle the path where the lost reside. Bones crack slow in the mud below. Every choice I made wrote the name I owe. I'm the stone the levee could never bind. The ghost on the track with the one-way mind. If I don't make it home, let the story be sung. Born of the dirt, but I died undone. Feathers fall like ashes when the daylight dies. Can't outpace the shadow, can't outsend the pain. Every song I ever sang was a hymn for rain. Brown bird, black sky, hear my prayer tonight. If I'm gone by the morning, keep my name in the light. The dirt gonna take me, the river gonna keep, and the brown bird's cry gonna haunt your sleep. So fly me away from this weary world, don't bury me down in the frozen earth. Scatter my ashes where the ridges rise, through the hollows to the delta under southern skies. Appalachian shadow, New Orleans smoke. Carry me on where the hymn still spoke. When the oak tree bends and the thunder moans, that's me in a storm still calm.